Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to talk to you about some of the features of this 2020's Heartland Sundance 221 RV. Really nice length and kind of feature package in this. So 25 feet overall length, and it has some of the most counter space and kind of open area floor space you're going to find in any trailer of this length. Heartland has done a really nice job building this one out. So what you have right off the front, a nice kind of diamond plating for your kick plate, LED strips for your lights, makes it easy to kind of couple onto your hitch. Have slant latches for your exterior doors, and magnetic hitches there. Really big pass-through storage, a ton of space down there, and LED strips, so nothing's going to kind of get lost in there that you have to dig for. A really big awning on this. Double axle in this length range really helps with the stability. The shorter you get, generally you're going to find a single axle. These help kind of with the stability as well as how it's going to be turning on you. So we go inside, you have a heated and enclosed underbelly on this too, so it's going to be protecting your tanks with all that propane that's off the front. We head inside and you can really see how wide this opens up and how big of a space this feels. So right off the entrance, you have a ton of space for your closet space, as well as pantry space. This all kind of joins together. All this room right here is all going to be used in facility of all this space as you walk in. The amount of countertop you have here is more than you find in pretty much any trailer of any length, and plus with whatever kind of storage you have right off the entry, you have a ton more storage above and a ton more storage below, so you have a lot of space here to actually work with and have storage for the things you would use in the space as well. You have single basin stainless steel sink, always really nice. You have this half divider for between kind of the main room and your bedroom here too. It's also a curtain if you need a little bit of extra privacy. But once you have this half divider, it really gives a great sense of division of space. And so it opens up the space kind of towards the rear, so everything just feels like it's just really big here too. You have a nice barreled roof, which is really adding to the kind of the size of the feel here. So you have a really high on center. You have ducted heating as well as ducted AC in here. So everything is going through the entire rig, making sure it's not going to just be a hot and cold spot. Television is on an articulating arm and come out, can face the bed, can face the other direction. Really easy to work. Furrion sound system on that too. So you can kind of Bluetooth to it or plug in whatever you need to get your media off of. A big U-shaped dinette and your slide out. There's storage under each one of these two that can be converted into another bed, so this can accommodate even extra people. Big fridge right here. One of the great things about this too is when the slide out is in, you still have access to your bathroom, your fridge, and all your cooking and counter space. You're not going to get pinched out of this when you're driving down the road. You just want to stop off, grab a bite to eat, go to the restroom. It's all perfectly at hand. It's super easy and accessible. For the bedroom, you have nice little reading lights up top, plus your USB plug-ins. Your storage and closet space on either side as well. Plus, you still have all that storage underneath your bed, as well as that pass-through storage too. So for the amount of stuff that you can pack into this rig, really offers you a lot of versatility and ability to really kind of pursue whatever you're after, and not have the trailer limit you to what you can take with you. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, drop on by and say hello, or call me 773-655-7190. My name is Jake.